Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Planarista 101. Today we are going to be working on my wellness section, which is two planners. One of them is a meal planner, one of them is a wellness planner. I am using the Recollections sticker book called Fall. It's a newer book from, I think, this year around spring. It is beautiful and vibrant, so if you have one of those, definitely use it this season because it is stunning. They also have these like holographic colors on some of the stickers, which make them a little bit more interesting than just regular ones. Okay, so today we are going to be working on September 26th through October 2nd. This is my meal planner from the Happy Planner. It is classic size. If you are joining me here for the first time in my channel, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. So, as you can already see, I am creating this little scene on the bottom of my page with some pumpkins and some fall decor, which I absolutely love having stuff like that in my planner. It is just gorgeous, right? And I'm adding little things to it to make it beautiful. So I like having my stickers spread throughout the planner as well. It makes it a little bit more interesting on top of making a little scene. I'm gonna add some of these fall sayings because I think they're so cute, so I can't help myself. Okay, so I'm just adding them throughout my planner. Pumpkin spice everything. I'm actually not a pumpkin spice fan, but the color matched so perfectly that, oh well, right? And it is time for pumpkin spice and a lot of people do like it. Let me know down below if you're a pumpkin spice fan or not. I know this is one of those things that's like yay or nay. It's not whatever. So I wonder how many of you are pumpkin spice lovers and how many of you are not. So let's see. I'm gonna add leaves throughout to fill in the spread, like I said. Little tiny leaves. I'm gonna add some green ones too, because not all the trees turn yellow and orange and red. So that's how that goes. Okay, and little flowers. I think that's pretty good. I think we're getting ready to actually meal plan this spread. Okay, almost done. Just adding like tiny little tweaks. Okay, so for breakfast on Monday, smoothie. On Tuesday, avocado toast. On Thursday, we can go ahead and make oatmeal. Apple cinnamon pancakes on Fridays. It's supposed to be skillet by Rhodes Guild. Yeah, so there's that. so lunchtime it will be tacos, salad, some leftovers, because those are the things I really enjoy bringing to work, like a good salad. Nothing beats that. Or good leftovers, right? And I'm gonna do a salad on Thursday and maybe a Greek salad on Friday. Saturday and Sunday I usually just don't have lunch, or we just snack or something like that. And then on Monday we can have pierogies for dinner. On Tuesday maybe steak and peppers, maybe burgers on Wednesday. Let's see, Korean barbecue, ground turkey, chicken marsala, and maybe sushi on Sunday. Sushi is one of my favorite foods. So let's go into the meal, into the wellness section now, into my wellness planner, and create a spread in there. I would like to use the same book because I do really enjoy the vibrant colors of this one, and I think it would be fun to use the same book. So bear with me, and hopefully we can go ahead and do the same kind of beautiful bright spread. So this planner is called Listen to Your Heart. It is a wellness layout. As you can see, the layout's a little bit different. I am creating a very similar scape to what I have with the other one. So I'm gonna do a little bonfire for them, and kind of, again, like a fallish camping feeling. And then of course we're gonna do the checklist, right? Because that's where I mark all of my meals that I'm eating. So that's a normal thing for me to do. So check marks go on, and there's 5 in here. I use 4. So I use breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. That's how I track my meals. Okay, and let's add like a big fall bouquet of flowers. I think that's so lovely. And like I did with the other one, I'm just filling in all the gaps with like leaves and little fall trinkets, which I think it will look good. I'm not sure what you guys think, but hopefully you guys think the same. Okay, so now I'm doing the same thing throughout the page because I think it will look really good if I do that. I like a lot more full spreads than not, so that's exactly why I'm doing this. Isn't it like so colorful and beautiful and so much fun? And we are almost done with the spread. I'm just adding the final little touches and we will be all done. So again, if you are here all the way till the end, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys like it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe if you are not already, and I'll see you very soon for another plan with me. Thank you so much and have a great week ahead. Bye!